If you want to use voice control on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max, like open YouTube, scroll down, scroll up, go to home screen. Now to do that, just open settings and tap on accessibility. And from here you will find the option of voice control. Just tap on it, then tap on the X icon over here. Now just tap on setup voice control. Tap on continue, then tap on done. Now by doing that, you will enable voice control on your iPhone. Now to use voice control, just give your iPhone commands like this. Go to the home screen. Open clock. Go back. Go to home screen. Open App Store. Open Games. Go to home screen. Open Control Center. Go to home screen. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on voice control on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.